Welcome to New Car. Today, we're exploring the Peterbilt 379, one of the most iconic American trucks ever built. Known for its bold design, powerful performance, and unmatched durability, the 379 remains a top choice for truckers worldwide. Let's take a closer look at all its features, from performance to interior comfort. Front and exterior. The Peterbilt 379 stands out with its classic long-nose design, bold chrome grille, and round headlights. The aerodynamic hood provides better airflow, improving fuel efficiency while maintaining the truck's traditional look. The front bumper is made of high-quality steel, offering excellent protection on the road. The side mirrors are large and well-positioned to minimize blind spots, ensuring maximum safety for long hauls. Tires and suspension. This truck comes equipped with high-performance radial tires, built to handle long distances and heavy loads. The suspension system includes air ride and leaf spring options, providing a smoother ride and better load stability. With multiple axle configurations, the 379 can be customized for different types of hauling, making it perfect for both highway and off-road use. Engine and performance. The Peterbilt 379 is powered by a range of Cummins, Caterpillar, and Detroit diesel engines, offering up to 600 horsepower. These engines deliver impressive torque, allowing the truck to handle steep inclines and heavy cargo effortlessly. With 18-speed manual or automated transmission options, the 379 ensures smooth gear shifts and better fuel efficiency. The truck also features a high-capacity cooling system, preventing overheating during long drives in extreme weather conditions. Inside, the Peterbilt 379 offers a spacious and luxurious cabin. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed with adjustable air ride suspension, reducing fatigue on long journeys. The dashboard is equipped with easy-to-read analog gauges and a modern digital display, providing real-time information on fuel levels, speed, and engine performance. The sleeper cabin is available in different sizes, featuring comfortable bedding, ample storage, a refrigerator, and entertainment systems, making long-haul trips more comfortable. Fuel capacity and efficiency. The Peterbilt 379 comes with dual fuel tanks, offering a total capacity of up to 300 gallons. This allows drivers to cover long distances without frequent refueling stops. The truck's fuel efficiency varies based on load and terrain, but averages 6 to 8 miles per gallon, making it an efficient option for heavy-duty hauling. Loading capacity and pricing. With a gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR, of up to 80,000 pounds, the 379 is built for heavy-duty applications. Whether transporting construction materials, refrigerated goods, or oversized loads, this truck delivers exceptional performance. The price of a used Peterbilt 379 varies depending on its condition, year, and specifications, ranging from $50,000 to $150,000, while fully restored models can go even higher. Future of the Peterbilt 379. Although production of the 379 ended in 2007, this truck remains a favorite among enthusiasts and owner-operators. Many are upgrading their 379s with modern engines, LED lighting, aerodynamic enhancements, and advanced navigation systems. The legacy of the Peterbilt 379 continues, proving that classic American trucks never go out of style. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Peterbilt 379, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to New Car 808 for more truck reviews. See you in the next video.